Take a ride in the 2016 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.